Welcome to my channel, Intelligent Quiz Explorer. Choosing the right gadget or product can be overwhelming with so many options available. Here are 10 popular gadgets and lifestyle products compared to help you make the best choice. iPhone versus Samsung Galaxy. iPhone is known for its smooth iOS experience and strong ecosystem. Samsung Galaxy offers high-quality displays, longer battery life, and customization options. Both are top smartphones, but the choice depends on your preference for software or hardware features. 2. Apple Watch versus Samsung Galaxy Watch. Apple Watch integrates seamlessly with iPhones and focuses on fitness tracking and health monitoring. Samsung Galaxy Watch works well with Android devices and has a long battery life. Both watches provide notifications, GPS tracking, and customizable watch faces. 3. AirPods versus Sony headphones. AirPods are lightweight, portable, and pair easily with Apple devices. Sony headphones provide superior noise cancellation and high-quality sound. AirPods are ideal for on-the-go casual use, while Sony is perfect for immersive music experiences. 4. Kindle versus traditional books. Kindle allows you to carry thousands of books in a single device with adjustable lighting. Traditional books offer the tactile experience and nostalgic feel of reading on paper. Kindle is convenient for travelers and heavy readers, while physical books are preferred by book lovers. 5. Fitbit versus Xiaomi Band. Fitbit focuses on detailed fitness tracking and health metrics. Xiaomi Band is affordable, lightweight, and has essential tracking features. Fitbit offers premium apps and long-term health insights, while Xiaomi provides value for money. 6. GoPro versus DJI Pocket Camera. GoPro is rugged, waterproof, and perfect for adventure filming. DJI Pocket Camera is compact, stabilizes video, and is great for smooth cinematic shots. GoPro is ideal for outdoor sports, while DJI Pocket suits travel vlogs and casual shooting. 7. Instant Pot versus traditional cooking. Instant Pot saves time by combining pressure cooking, slow cooking, and other functions. Traditional cooking takes longer but gives more control over flavors. Instant Pot is ideal for busy people and multitasking, while traditional methods suit chefs and home cooking enthusiasts. 8. Roomba versus manual vacuum. Roomba automates cleaning and can be scheduled to clean regularly. Manual vacuuming gives complete control over cleaning and works in corners better. Roomba saves time, while manual vacuuming can be more thorough for detailed cleaning. 9. Netflix versus Amazon Prime Video. Netflix has a larger variety of original content and international shows. Amazon Prime Video offers a mix of movies, TV shows, and other benefits like shopping perks. Both provide on-demand streaming, but content selection varies. 10. Electric scooter versus bicycle. Electric scooters are fast, require less effort, and are perfect for city commuting. Bicycles offer fitness benefits, eco-friendliness, and low maintenance. Electric scooters save time, while bicycles promote health and sustainability. Every gadget has its own strengths and weaknesses. Choose wisely based on your needs, lifestyle, and budget. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up.